Hey guys, Ron Blaze from Ninja Web Tools. I'd like to introduce you to TeeLaunch Ninja. TeeLaunch Ninja is the t-shirt shop you've always wanted. With one database, you can run unlimited campaigns. TeeLaunch Ninja allows you to sell multiple shirts within multiple categories to a single customer, just like any real shop would, and almost as good as a brick and mortar experience for your customers. Imagine selling 3 to 5 or more shirts and hoodies of different designs to a single customer at the same time. Now that's possible with TeeLaunch Ninja. Have a design that you want printed on both the front and back of a single shirt? No problem. TeeLaunch Ninja allows you to print full front, full back, left chest, full front and full back, or left chest and full back. The design possibilities are endless. TeeLaunch Ninja lets you own your own tea business. Get paid instantly as soon as your customer buys a shirt. No more waiting for Teespring or others to send you a payment. You are paid instantly the second your customer buys a shirt. You own your own customer list. Lock, stock, and barrel. TeeLaunch Ninja is hosted on your domain, so customers will see your brand, your email, your domain when they are buying from your TeeLaunch Ninja store. This lets you develop brand loyalty with your customers. After all, you paid for the ads or found ways to get these customers to your store, so you should reap the long-term benefits of that customer. Stop subsidizing someone else's brand. Your domain, your store, your customer, period. So this is the front end of TeeLaunch Ninja. As you can see, we have, in this particular case, this is the school category. So you can set up categories just like you can within any WordPress site and separate your shirts in that manner. On our system, we allow you to pick whatever design you want as the primary design. So you'll see a range like here. This one has a range because we're selling multiple different styles of shirts, just as this one here, but we have a different front shirt. So let's take a look at this shirt here. In this case, we are selling a shirt that has a design on the left chest and also a design on the back. And you'll see we're selling that in currently 6 different styles, but you can definitely add additional styles. So let me go into the back end and let's add a couple of additional colors. So in the back end, you see this is a left and back that we're selling. So let's go ahead and add white, black, and royal as an example and update the post. And now let's refresh this page. And now you'll see that we have it available in other colors. It took basically seconds to add those additional colors in, and now the shirt is available in other colors. Even though you're paying a flat fee from TeeLaunch for all your shirts, small through 4XL, you have the ability in the back end of making changes to in your settings. You can add the ability to have a surcharge on your larger sizes. Obviously, you probably want to have this as $1, $2, or something along those lines. Then we'll change that. So now when we go to make a purchase, let's say we purchase this as a 2XL, you'll see that a handling charge is added to the transaction. So let's go ahead and add this one to the shopping cart. And let's go back to our school section, and we'll add another shirt. And then you'll see inside the cart you have your customers actually ended up buying a shirt, the first one that had the front and back design, and then the second shirt all being purchased in a single transaction. Well, let's take a look at some of the settings on the back end here. So we initially showed you adding additional colors. If you want to add additional styles, you can just come down here and add additional styles. When you first set up TeeLaunch Ninja, you can actually set up default pricing for all your shirts. So whatever prices you set up here will be carried over every time you add a brand new campaign. So I don't know about you, but when I run my shirt campaigns, I almost always sell my shirts for exactly the same price. So this prevents you from having to manually enter your price every single time you want to sell a shirt. It's just there automatically by default, and if you want to make a tweak to that particular price, you can just come in here and make a tweak. Now over here in this column, we're showing you what your cost is. So in this particular case, because we're running a shirt with a print both on the front and on the back, you're paying $4 extra because it's printing in 2 locations. But if this was a shirt, for instance, that was only a full front, then your cost on that shirt would be $4 less. Let's go ahead and leave it back where it was. And you can pretty much change everything you want within the front end of the site. We've basically made it so that every feature, every text element on the front can be tweaked and adjusted because we currently are running, our plugins are being used in 8 different countries, 10 different languages. So this gives our store owners the flexibility of modifying the front end so that it matches their specific country and language requirements. And then let's take a look back at the shop. So when we look at this particular campaign, this is a TLA campaign. That basically means that when you upload artwork, we are going to automatically position your artwork so that it is lined up properly on the shirt. But if you have a design that you want to make sure that it's lined up a specific way, you can use the TLM option, and the TLM option allows you to manually upload the artwork and place it where you want to place the artwork. So here is a TLM campaign, and in the TLM campaign, you're not only uploading the artwork, but you're actually uploading the preview images. So let me show you what a TLM campaign looks like on the front end. So we have a TLM campaign over here on the teacher's page, and in this particular case, we not only uploaded the artwork that gets sent over to TeeLaunch, but we also uploaded the preview image that your customers are going to see, because we're specifying exactly where we want the artwork to show up on the preview. So that's what TLM is. We're adding another feature soon. We're adding our personalities function into TeeLaunch Ninja. That's in the works right now. We'll give you a copy of personalities until we integrate it with TeeLaunch Ninja. But essentially what personalities allows you to do is personalize your shirts. And just like our standard TeeLaunch Ninja offering with TLA and TLM, you're going to be able to have a shirt where you have a design on both the front and the back, or the left chest and the back, or either of these individually. So this allows you with TLP, once that's integrated, you're going to be able to allow your customers to personalize both the front and the back of a shirt if you have a design that accommodates personalization. So it gives you a lot of room to work with on your customers. TeeLaunch Ninja is essentially a plugin. However, it uses all the features of a standard WordPress theme. So currently we're using this RM WordPress theme. But let's go in real quick and change the WordPress theme so we're using a different theme. And let's swap it out to this one. And there, instantly your TeeLaunch Ninja store has been swapped into a totally different look and style. We've tested out TeeLaunch Ninja with 22 different themes. We have found a small handful, 2 or 3 out of the 22 that we tested that didn't work really well with TeeLaunch Ninja, but for the most part, all the rest did work with TeeLaunch Ninja. You're going to want to come into that individual theme and make some tweaks to the layout of that theme, but every theme is going to have slightly different characteristics, and essentially every single one of our store owners has the ability of having a really unique look and feel for their store. This gives you a lot of flexibility here. The only other things I want to show you real quickly is you have the ability within the theme itself to set it up so that you can choose where your likes are coming from, and you can also pre-populate how many products are being sold to give you a little bit of social proof and sales proof for your thing. As you notice, there's 2 titles showing up right over here. That's easy enough to change. You can just go into the TeeLaunch Ninja settings page, and in the settings page you just get rid of the title. Don't show the title. And for the themes that actually have double titles like this, then that gets rid of that, and that you end up with a really good looking store. And you can obviously change whatever you want within your store theme, and those will be that design will be carried across all of your pages because it's all built into the theme. One last thing I want to show you before we go into the reporting functions of TeeLaunch Ninja is if you have an existing campaign that you just want to make a minor tweak to the artwork or the campaign settings, you just come over here and click on clone, and instantly you end up with a brand new campaign that you can quickly edit. That's the advantage of using WordPress for our system. It's one database, so unlimited campaigns, and you can quickly and easily create brand new campaigns based on existing campaigns that you have. So let's take a brief look at the reporting functions of TeeLaunch Ninja. Click over here on orders. This will show the status of all your orders within the TeeLaunch system. It'll show you the name and email address of the person who made your purchase, your customer, what the item was that they ordered, and then also the quantity and sizes. If they, like in this particular case on this 3D 310 order, we ordered 1 medium, 1 2XL, and then 4 mediums for this particular shirt. So it shows all the shirts in that particular order, and this first column is the fact that you got paid via PayPal. The second column is the fact that it's being received over at TeeLaunch, and it has a order number. So make sure that you go over into the promos page and click on the link that will get you over TeeLaunch to pay for your order. Once you pay for your order, it'll actually go into the queue at TeeLaunch, and they'll start working on your shirt. And then the shipping will happen automatically. Once TeeLaunch ships your shirt, this will be ticked off automatically by their system when it sends out the order. Orders are typically shipped out in 5 business days. As soon as your order ships, your customer will get a shipping notification along with the tracking number for their order. The other set of details that I want to show you are over here on the promo board, and that's your export report for all your orders. If you click this, this will download a CSV file, and from that CSV file you'll see all the details of the people who have made your purchases with first name, last name, email address, their IP address, and the date and time they ordered. And this allows you to export part of that data into your mailing list so you can add these people to your mailing list. The next thing I'd like to show you is that TeeLaunch Ninja is completely responsive as long as you are using a responsive WordPress theme. This theme that we're demoing here is responsive. Let me just drag it into responsive mode. And as you can see, it's very easy for people to navigate your shirts and buy them directly online. And it's a good presentation in a mobile device. And we recommend that you look at ThemeForest for your themes that are going to be responsive and compatible with TeeLaunch Ninja. As you can see, there's over 5,000 WordPress themes on ThemeForest, and this is what we recommend. Most of these themes are going to range between 30 and 50, 60 bucks, but it's a great starting point to find a responsive theme that will work with TeeLaunch Ninja. The last thing I want to show you is the receipt that your customers are going to get. Essentially, your customers are going to get a customized receipt that looks like this. You'll be able to add your logo at the top and a little description if you want, and then they'll get the receipt. It'll show the items that they ordered, obviously the price that they paid for it, and the styles, and their billing and shipping address. You can add a feedback option if you want to get feedback. And then you can also add a discount coupon. And the discount coupon is controlled on your site. You can identify whether or not you want to have discount coupons or not. But if you do decide to give your customers a discount coupon, all discount coupons expire automatically within 2 weeks. They're one-use coupons, and it's an easy way for you to get your customers to come back over and over again to your store to continue to purchase more items from your T-shop. So that pretty much concludes the overview of TeeLaunch Ninja. Now we want to tell you basically that TeeLaunch is running a special promotion for the people that are picking up TeeLaunch Ninja. And the promotion is this. TeeLaunch will reimburse you for your cost of TeeLaunch Ninja up to a total of $500. So depending on what you pay for TeeLaunch Ninja, they will reimburse your purchase of TeeLaunch Ninja at a rate of 50 cents per shirt. So for each 100 shirts that you sell, TeeLaunch will send you a PayPal for $50 for each 100 shirts that you sell, all the way up to your purchase price of TeeLaunch Ninja. Well, that wraps up the overview of TeeLaunch Ninja. On behalf of the little ninjas, I'd like to thank you for your time and your interest in TeeLaunch Ninja. You can reach us online at ninjawebtools.com. And have a great day. See you on the inside. Bye now.